Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I got something really interesting to show y'all. I'm at home and my mom is going to prepare something special. I think it's red bhaji and chicken tandoori. This is her own recipe. And look at her, she's wearing my t-shirt with my name on it.
Okay, now you see what I have put. It's my own recipe. See, I have put plain chili powder, curds which I made at home only. Okay, and these are tandoori pieces. I have put salt already.
But I want more salt.
No, it's enough. After I'll see the taste. Now, this is homemade, okay?
You always keep putting less salt.
No, yeah, I put correctly because you are here today to eat, so I am very particular about the salt.
Okay.
Otherwise, when I eat, I put less salt only because my daddy taught me to eat less salt. Must be careful of all the whites. Maida, that is refined flour, salt, and sugar. Okay, now I'll mix this. How much you paid for it? Okay, it's okay. Tomorrow.
So she's got all the leg pieces and
See, breast.
the leg
It's
piece.
tender chicken, broiler. Tender pieces. I have not put color. I am against putting color, food color. Let it get its own. So I'll keep it for marinating till I finish this vegetable. Ginger garlic paste I put. Okay.
Turmeric powder.
Yeah, I'll put.
If you're not putting any color, then you.
I'll put
more
turmeric
red chili
powder. Just wait. You want pungent? Okay, I'll put.
Medium
There
size.
is. Oh. This is small teaspoon. That's enough. This
This
green
is my
chili.
mom's own recipe.
Yeah, this is for flavor. Okay, let it get marinated. I don't know because you like it pungent. I think it's enough. You know, it gets balanced because curds is put, no? So nothing I put. It gets its color after getting marinated. Okay, it's fine. This is for your taste, not my taste, okay? I eat less pungent.
So for how long are you going to marinate?
For 1 hour. By the time I'll do red bhaji, I've got other bakris I have to make.
What are you doing?
I'm eating.
Always.
This is quite tender, okay? That's why, and to put the stems is important. Okay, roots I cut. So it is not cumbersome. Like, you know, if I make that this methi bhaji, then the leaves have to be cleaned separately from the stem. See. See. Now I'll separate the skin. See, in 2 waters you have to wash because there is mud in it. See the water. And then after washing in 2 waters, water will come out clear. See, I have cut onions here. Okay. I have cut red bhaji I am cutting. Okay, I have to finish. There are 3 bunches. Now here this is garlic which I clean. I have to smash it. This I have taken, that's also I'll smash because then only its flavor comes out. See, put it. Now I have to complete here. Then you, yeah, no seasoning. If you have noticed, I put garlic, green chili, onions, red bhaji, and this is coconut oil. 2 tablespoons. and salt as per your taste. This leafy vegetable will not put much salt. And now stir it. And let it cook open like this because it leaves its own water. Yeah. Now I have kept it on medium high. The flame, keep it open for some time, say for 2-3 minutes, because the water comes out from the leaves. And as the water is drying, then you cover it. Here I got the cup. This chicken is marinated 1 hour. I kept it on medium high flame and kept it cook it open only like this, medium high flame, and put some oil. Keep it open only and keep stirring occasionally. I'll come back to you. It releases its own water. Sephra, see. That's why I told you not to cover. Then it loses its color also if you cover. Now once the water gets evaporated, it's almost cooked. It's cooked. So let the water get evaporated. Then it is done. After that, I think there's lots of water in this. Let it get dry. And if you want, you can put coconut, okay, to garnish. But today I don't want to put coconut. Safi, if you notice, see, the water is evaporated and it is done. I put off the gas. Okay, I am not putting coconut. Now I can cover it. Cover. Now come to the chicken. So it is getting cooked. The water is getting evaporated. I kept it on medium high, okay? And I have to stir it because it should not get caught up. See, there is water. It has to evaporate. Cook it open only like this.
It requires more oil?
Afterwards, when the water gets little evaporated, then I have kept coconut oil ready. So let it get cooked. Come, it takes time. Sure. Come, let it get cooked. I have just taken out a small piece to see if it is cooked. It is cooked. It has become soft. Now I am just waiting for this water to get dried up. So I will put little oil because last I have to. And don't close it, okay? Coconut oil I have put. Allow it to this thing. Medium low flame. It's medium low flame now, and it is almost done. Okay, let the water dry and the oil will nicely coat the pieces. See. Here, I served Julian, you come and taste. Because I don't like to. It's hot here. I'm going to put the whole thing in my mouth. Because this piece is mine. Very nice. Slightly pungent. You all like it, no?
You're praising yourself.
Nice it is. With lamb I will eat, then it gets even. Chal, we'll have a dinner. Chal. You put lime and eat. Nice it is, no? Very nice. I'm not praising myself.
It's quite hot. 9 out of 10.
Very good. Thumbs up.
A little spicy, eh?
Yeah, because you all wanted it spicy. But it's good if you put some lime, drops in that.
And it should have been marinated for a little longer period.
Is it?
But the taste is perfect.
My daughter says it's perfect.
It would be no more tender if it was marinated for longer.
One I imagine.
But it's good. It's giving that OTG effect. If it's done in the oven, it will be like 10 out of 10.
Why this has gone out?